Good evening, sir. Hello.
Evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are they coming? We'll be waiting for 2-3 minutes.
Sir?
Evening, sir.
We'll be waiting for 2-3 more minutes for everyone to join.
Sir.
Evening, sir.
Good evening, Nitesh.
Sir, I practiced few sums on that one, sir.
Oh, we have a new kid, Cosmos.
Yes, that is Sankalp. Isn't it?
Yes, sir, it is, sir.
With creative ideas.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Evening, Cosmos.
So Kongu will sprain his ankle, sir.
Very important now. And it's not my ankle, it's my toe.
Everybody's here.
Except Tarun, sir. He won't join.
Sir, Tarun
He
won't.
join, sir.
Tarun will join late, sir. He went for football, so he'll join bit late. We can start, sir.
Right. So today we'll be dealing with the last topic, that is flotation, and then some questions, right?
These guys
Yes,
said
sir.
the flotation we already finished.
Maybe like we know
dealing
what's flotation.
No, we never studied what
No.
flotation was.
Sir used the word flotation.
Yeah, he
So
used
you
it now,
have
there.
In the flotation
Everyone
part,
used the word.
we'll be
Very
dealing
funny.
with theoretical and numerical aspect.
Oh, my. Oh, okay. Oh, that's why you called me Cosmos.
Right.
Yeah.
So whenever a body is put inside a liquid, what all the forces it has its weight downward, it has a force of buoyancy upward, right? So this point is called CB, center of buoyancy.
Sir, by the way, happy Independence Day, sir.
1 minute, sorry.
Ah. Hello? Okay.
Right. So it is called center of buoyancy. And where weight, the point where weight is acting, that is called the center of gravity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Center of gravity. Right?
No, we can't hear you there.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next
Something
thing
is
is
wrong
that
with Nitish.
weight of the body is what? Weight of the body is equals to volume of body, into density of body into G, and F of B is what?
W volume.
Volume of submerged part. Volume of submerged part of body.
Yes, we can.
Density of what? Density of
So density of the liquid displaced.
liquid
Yeah.
into G. So volume of submerged part of body, we are taking the volume of that particular body, this volume, and we are taking the density of liquid. Why?
So because density of liquid into okay, I don't know.
You can tell me. Why
So
we
why
taking
you
volume
ask, sir?
in calculating volume of the weight of the body? What we did? We took the volume of the body, we took
Volume of the
density of
body
the body.
into
Sir,
Volume.
mass equals volume into density, sir. So
Yeah.
They.
So in calculation of
Oh,
weight
okay.
of the body, see, first this is my question. In calculation of the weight of the body, what we took? Volume of the body, density of the body, and G. But
Sure.
of thrust, what we are taking, volume of the body that is submerged, and that is we multiplying with the density of the liquid. How is that
Sir,
related?
so volume of the body into density of body is basically mass, sir.
Right. And the second part?
FB is equal to volume of the submerged part. Sir, FB is
volume of
force
the
acting
submerged part alone.
for FB is force acting upwards, right, sir?
Right. So why we are multiplying volume of body and density of liquid? These two are different material, na?
So to flow to calculate the flotation
You're not
of
giving me
the
the exact answer. The exact answer
buoyancy.
will be volume of the body that is
The-
immersed
sir,
is equal to
the-
the liquid of the
Yes, that is
displaced.
the. Yeah,
Volume
that's what
of
I
the
was
liquid
gonna say, sir.
displaced.
That's what I was gonna say. Sir.
Understood? That is equal to
Yes, sir.
volume of liquid displaced. That is what we are multiplying with the density of liquid.
Oh,
Yes,
one second, sir.
So that was exactly what I was gonna say. Sir, no questions today.
I will do the questions after just this one rotation topic is there, and then this chapter is over. Then we'll be doing questions.
Sir, so next class?
No, this class only.
Okay, sir.
I think I just required 20 minutes around to complete this topic. So write it down
Yes,
fast, everyone.
yes, sir.
So now I'm starting to write. So one second, sir.
Kongwell, when is your annual day? Like on which day?
25th, I think.
I
Yeah,
know which
Saturday.
day.
25th or
Saturday.
24th.
Okay.
You wish it was it's on Friday.
Oh, it's 26th. That means.
No,
No,
it's
I'm
Friday only. It's Friday only.
Bruh,
joking.
why did you say Saturday then?
It's for
okay.
fun.
No, if it was on Thursday or Wednesday, we could have told the sir.
You do not care.
What is principle of rotation?
That's
So the
sad.
weight of floating body,
Yes, sir.
weight of a floating body,
That's acting vertically.
Sir, what is
equal to
CB?
the weight of
Center
liquid
of?
displaced.
Sir, what is CB? No?
Weight of liquid displaced.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, what is
By
CB, sir?
I've written there, center of buoyancy.
Okay, point. Sir, why is your buoyancy look very weird, sir?
Looks like frequency, right?
Yes, sir. It looks like frequency.
I'm sorry that.
I was just joking. Sankalp is making fun of you.
Down.
So one second, sir.
So you said this chapter was gonna be easy, sir, but it's tough.
It's easy only. If you understand it, it's easy.
So if you
I mean, that's
understand
how
anything,
every
all the
subject
things
is.
are easy. If you do not understand it, everything is hard. There are things that you find easy and other find hard, and there are things that other find it easy and you find hard, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir,
Everything
like,
in the world is relatable.
sir, we understand algebra and we understand addition, but for us, our addition is easier than algebra, sir. That's what I'm saying.
bro,
Addition is
ABCD
easier than
is way
algebra, va?
easier than this.
Yeah.
Just because you understand both doesn't mean easier. Algebra has like more rules. That's why even if you
Yeah, that's
understand it,
why
it's
this
hard.
is more rules. There are many
Compared to others,
formulas
it
in it.
doesn't.
Compare it to the third chapter.
Except it was nothing there. What do you think? Say.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
what
like
we
the
understand
easiest.
both, but the third was easier.
This chapter is hard.
So he- Liquid displays on my hand was writing like this.
Then, like, when the study material comes, later write it.
Then I have to write it later, right?
Yeah. But at
I'll
least your
forget
hand
it.
won't, like.
I'll be like
Yeah, but his
lazy.
hand is paining now because he got hurt.
Yes, sir. Finished. Oh,
Done,
yes,
everyone.
sir.
1 second,
Somebody
the
just
last
see the
3 words.
syllabus and somebody just see the syllabus and tell me how many more chapters are left.
So
We
at
have
least 7 more,
4
sir.
or
The
something,
entire
sir.
book.
7,
wait,
ah?
The
wait,
entire
sir.
book.
Ah, that was enough.
I just have the textbook right now.
I think 4.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So if you are saying for
5,
this
6.
term means
Sir, we have
we'll
4
have
left,
2
sir.
more.
We have 4 left, sir.
Ah, told you 4.
I don't know. I chumma said whatever came to my mind
Ha.
first.
You both use
Ha.
Shumma a lot.
I know, right?
I
Me,
said what
I didn't even say.
I said whatever.
Today in Discord call, I counted and you told Chumma 4 times.
Don't
Hey,
Summa say something.
8th time. Yes, sir, done, sir.
Wait. Oh, okay, sir. That's it. Why did I say wait? I already finished.
Absent-minded.
At least I was present today.
What do you
Like,
mean?
You were not there.
And-
What are you talking?
Why
Are
were
you
you
there?
absent?
He forgot to wake up.
Huh?
Sankalp, why were you
Huh?
That's
absent?
gonna be his death reason.
I
Forgot to wake up.
yesterday night I went to Jailer movie and was lost in my dreams.
Oh, shame on you.
Hey, Rabu, it sucks, da.
You bunked school for that.
No, yesterday.
Everyone finished, sir.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
finished, sir.
Right. Next you see here.
Hey,
Means
yesterday night.
according to
Shut
law,
up, shut up.
Sorry,
Hey,
sir.
chup.
body will float only when F is equals to W. Force of
Yes,
buoyancy is
sir.
equals to weight. And force of buoyancy, as I said, that is the volume of the submerged part into rho of the liquid into G. And volume of the body, weight of the body is total volume, not only submerged, total
Sir, but
volume.
the force is equal to weight. Don't won't it be like suspended instead of floating, sir?
That will be considering.
Sir, if FP is equal to
Basically,
W,
in
it
all
will
the
be
cases, whether it is suspending,
Excuse me,
whether it is
sir.
floating on the top,
Excuse me,
It
sir.
all
Sir,
depends
if
on the
FP
W.
is sir, if FP is equal to weight, it will like float equally, right, sir? If FP is like a bit more than
Suspended.
W, yeah.
That's why I said.
Is it like that? Hello.
Sir, no,
Pardon?
sir. We are saying if force is equal to a weight, won't it be
Oh.
suspended instead of floating or
Force of
sticking?
buoyancy there. That's the
Force
difference
of
between
buoyancy,
both
force
of
of
them.
buoyancy, force of something. So are you there, sir?
Nope.
Sir, we won't ask questions, sir. You can
I'm
continue.
not getting a doubt.
No, sir. You're telling that force of buoyancy is equal to weight, right, sir? That's why it floats, right, sir? Object.
Buoyancy is equal to the
Weight. Weight. That's why it object floats, right, sir?
T. Floating means what?
Floating is on
Excuse
top.
me, sir. Sir. Can I say something? Nitish, wait. Sir, you said an object will float when force of buoyancy is equal to weight, sir.
Right?
Sir, so if force of buoyancy is equal to weight, it will be half submerged inside and half is outside, right,
Yeah,
sir? That is
That's still called
that's what
forcing.
I'm telling you.
Still
I
called
know what
forcing.
you're asking. I know what you're asking. That's what I'm
What I
telling you.
asked.
See, is this called a floating condition? Submerged floating?
No,
it's
that's suspended.
yes, sir.
Is that
It's
called a
not
submerged?
it's not floating, sir.
So I think your voice is breaking now. One
Sir,
second.
I think you're
Sir,
lagging,
your
sir.
voice is breaking, sir.
So you're like your voices are delayed. So I think it's not breaking. It's
Yeah.
delayed.
It's slow. No.
It's completely gone. Ooh.
Dun dun dun.
Oh my god,
Yeah, I'm
OG,
I am
bro.
OG. Mine is OG.
No. Kongwei will get this background even before you got that.
Ooh. What are you talking about? He didn't have background. He only had a blur. And then after you did, you were the first one to do. And then I did. And then Komal did.
What did you guys do?
See, this is called floating condition. Am I audible?
Sir, what?
How
Sir,
is
what?
This is called floating
Now
condition,
only
but
we can
that
hear
is
you, sir.
submerged.
Sir, we
Am I-
couldn't hear you
am I audible?
past a
Am I
minute, sir. Sir, why are you talking past
Past a
minute?
minute, sir.
audible now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. You
No,
can hear
Sir,
you,
it's
sir.
breaking, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not talking
It's like very
about past
delayed.
a minute. Actually, I was just checking my Wi-Fi connection at that time that when you were speaking. So I
Yes, sir.
was
Now,
mute.
now I can hear you, sir, properly.
Right? See, this is a
It's not
floating
sunlight.
condition, but just the thing is that it has half submerged. Okay. Even
This is floating condition.
without any part of its submergence, it cannot float because it has to displace water. Even if it is totally above the sea or the water, some part of it is inside the water because some weight of the water has to be displaced if it is floating. Okay, just in this case, it has to displace all of its weight to float. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
No, but
Yes,
it's
sir.
only called floating when at least some volume weight is
Exactly.
actually
Some
outside.
volume has to go inside. Some volume has to go inside so that displaces some volume of water.
That
And
volume
then,
could be the entire thing as well.
are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is also floating condition. Just in this case, the body had to displace all of its volume. Are you getting
So
my
if
point?
it doesn't touch the ground, it's floating.
Yeah, that was submerged condition, but it is floating.
Okay. Yes,
Sir,
now I
but
understand, sir.
my doubt was, sir, you said for FP is equal to W, right, sir? So in that case, the object will like uniformly be submerged and uniformly be outside, right, sir? So if FB increases, the volume of the object will go submerge more than it's outside. If weight
Actually,
is
go up more.
Yeah, it will go
sorry,
up.
force
Force of
yeah, it
buoyancy.
will
You increase the force of buoyancy by like decreasing the density. That's what I'm telling you. How can you do that? How can you make something float on the top? How can you make something float in the middle? How can
Aircraft.
the first listen here? Is this what you understand? Like you understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
volume of substance into a row of liquid into gravity equals volume of what's the liquid?
The total volume of solid. Total volume.
Oh, volume of solid into volume of, density of liquid into gravity is force buoyancy.
no density of the
Liquid,
solid into
ra.
oh, you're talking about the liquid, okay.
And then
It is total volume
volume.
of body. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
So volume of S means volume of solid, right, sir?
So, what's the
It's
difference
rho
between
of S,
VT and
sir.
VS? What's the difference between VT and VS?
Telling you, submerged part.
Yes.
Now understood?
Yes,
Oh,
sir. Now
okay.
we understand. Now.
And this is total volume. Because force of buoyancy will be due to the submerged part only, but weight will be due to all of the body, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So
Yes,
from there,
sir.
GG will cancel. So V of submerged by V total, that will be equals to rho of solid by
So why
rho
do
of,
you even consider G if every time it gets cancelled, sir?
see, that is not there. G, you have seen that it has variations. Have you seen that? G varies
So
from
10, 9.8.
equator to poles, isn't it?
So then why do we cancel
Yes,
it
sir.
if it has variation? It might
We
have like
assume that both the phenomena are happening at the same place. Now, it is not like that buoyancy is acting at the poles and we are providing the weight on the equator.
yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood? So
Yes,
that
sir.
means the fraction, the ratio of density of that particular material to the liquid in which you are dipping it will give you the ratio of volume that is submerged by the total volume. Are you getting my point? So from here you
Yes,
can
sir.
understand with this ratio that how much part of the body will be submerged, right?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes,
example,
sir.
if density of liquid becomes equal to the density of solid, then what will happen? Volume of submerged will be equal to the total volume, and that will be the totally submerged condition, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sorry,
Got
What
it?
is that?
That is the thing.
I sneezed.
Yes, sir.
I'm writing here volume of
Submerged part.
immersed part of body.
This immersed means outside the water, right? Or like the ones that is not submerged.
Same thing. Immersed and submerged, same thing. Total volume of body is equals to
Density of solid body or density of liquid.
density of body by density of liquid.
Yes, sir.
So it's volume of mass of submerged part.
Volume of mass means what does that mean?
What do you? Oh, sorry.
I think. Yes, sir.
Write down everything.
So what is V of
Yeah.
M, sir?
Volume.
V of M.
B of M. There is no B of M.
Bro, there is.
Wall M. Volume. If you understand it, you need to write that small, that volume of immersed part of body. So will we have extra class on Friday because we lost the class on Tuesday?
It's an
Yeah, Dad.
Independence Day. Why will you have it? We'll have extra class only when it's like we missed a
Sir
class or
couldn't
something like
come.
that.
Written everyone, tell me yes or no.
Everyone
Yes,
Tuesday?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
One
Right.
oh wait, I can see the right hand side.
The last topic.
What?
Sir.
It's easy. Density of
That's what
solid
I'm
by
asking.
body. Density of body by density of liquid. How what it is there?
Density
So you can go
of
to the next page, sir.
by density.
Let him write. Let him write.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now
So
see
will
here.
I don't get marks if I write row like this?
Now see volume of iceberg above the water
Yes.
surface while floating. So see there, in case that iceberg that is floating. This is the water. Okay. This is the water. And in the water, we have icebergs floating. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are icebergs that were responsible for the Titanic attack.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It was bigger
Yes,
though.
sir.
It was bigger and sharper.
How do you know that
And
it was? I
stronger.
mean, they never know. They never told it was
So I am
sharp.
going to tell you something terrific today.
It
Okay,
never
I don't
happened.
know whether you know
Titanic
this or
never
not.
sunk. Titanic never sunk.
I don't know whether you know this or not.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
this is the ship. Let us say a very big ship.
Sir, it took two. It took 1.5
I
entire
know the
day
fact.
for it to
Like so much part of the 90% of the iceberg is below the water.
Exactly, and I'll prove that. See here.
I saw it in a, we saw hundreds of videos, sir. I don't know why though.
Exactly. See here. See here. So let us say that volume of the same conditions will be applying volume submerged by total volume. That should be rho of ice by rho of
Row of
liquid, that is water,
liquid water.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now see
sir.
here, volume submerged, that we don't know. Volume total, again we don't
Don't
know.
know.
Okay. Rho of ice, that we know, 0.917 gram per
Take that.
centimeter cube.
Volume
And
of ice,
volume of
right,
water,
sir?
Sir, it is 1,000. Oh,
water
sorry. That is density. That's density.
is 1
Density only da.
gram per centimeter
1
cube.
gram per centimeter cube. It's
I was
one
saying 1,000 kilograms per meter. Okay, it's
same
centimeter
thing.
cube.
It's just a
Same
different
thing.
unit. Yes, sir, you can
Agree?
continue, sir.
But
Yes.
shouldn't we take this in SI unit, sir?
Doesn't matter, it will get cancelled here.
Okay.
So then
Isn't it?
what will be the unit, sir?
See, basically, water density of water is 1
Still.
gram per centimeter cube, and that is 10 to the power 3. That is 1,000 kg per meter cube. But if you're taking this as kg per meter cube, this also you'll have to take kg per meter cube. Again, the same conversion will be there. Both will be multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Doesn't matter. It will get cancelled.
Sir, but our
So
teacher
now see here,
shows us
Yes,
the
sir.
unit.
volume of substance by volume total. Sorry, volume of submerged by volume total. This is not substance, submerged.
Yes, sir.
That is 0.917. This ratio
By
is this
1.
one, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it, Ra. Why by one and all?
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
If I want the percentage, I'll be multiplying with 100.
Yes, sir.
So that is how much? 91.7%.
Sir, 91 point. Yeah, 91.7.
That means volume of submerged. That means 91.7% of total ice is submerged.
How can we tell that, sir?
Hey,
Only
what are you
Oh,
talking
you
Physics.
just
about?
move the total the volume to
3%
that.
is outside
What?
on the surface of
Sir, did
water.
you transpose the V total to that side? That means in V total there is 91.7% is submerged like that. So did you not
Pardon?
even knew? Sir, did you transpose the V total to the other side, like the right hand side, so we can tell in the total volume of the ice, 91.7% of it is submerged. Like that, did you see, sir?
Sir,
Yeah, that whatever the total volume is there, of that 90% is inside and only 8% is there. For example, if 100 meter cube is there,
may
okay,
I ask you a doubt?
yeah,
Why did you draw the ship, sir?
The a ship is also doing the same property. We can calculate the submerged part of the ship also.
But
Yeah.
ship has a
John,
varying role.
basically this, they just saw that it is 1
Sir,
meter of height of ice above the water, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
they thought that it will be just 1 meter only. But in that case, 9 meter is downward, and ship is generally of 4-5 meters into the ocean. 4-5 meter means like one floor building.
So okay, yes, sir.
2 times
One
an
floor
average
building.
height.
Okay. So they just thought that it is 1 meter, and this height is nearly how much should I say? 20-30 meters, 30 meters.
Sure.
Are you getting my point? So you
Yes,
see,
sir.
from 30-meter height, 30 meter means nine floor building around, 8 to 9 floor building around. So from 30-meter height, you just see 1 meter of height of ice. How will you find that it is so deep?
Physics.
Getting my point?
So we can use the volume of the total volume of the submerged, like that we can do so.
Yeah.
That's it. That is physics.
Pardon?
Nothing, sir. I'm just clarifying what Sankar said.
You can use the volume for, you just go on, no problem.
No, sir. Sankar said we have to use physics to find it like that.
Right.
Yeah, we are using physics there.
Bro, you can't write that for every single answer.
So, did you understand this part?
Yes,
And with this,
sir.
we end the chapter. You have
So 1 second, sir, don't erase it.
Yeah, I'm not removing it. You just have to read some topics like what are the uses of flotation. Okay, so you can see that you have a topic about the flotation in human body. A body can swim, or you can see that submarine part. Submarine. How does the submarine work? If it has to go
It
down, it will
pushes
take
out
in
the
water.
water if it
Yeah, it will
wanna
take in
go up.
water. The density of that particular submarine will increase, and hence it will
Alters the
sink.
density to according to water wherever it wants to go.
Right.
Sir,
And
what do we write for that submarine question, sir?
submarine question, they'll ask that how submarine works. So they generally just have to see that if it has to go down, if it has to sink, then it will be taking in water, increasing the density of the submarine, and that will be more than the density of water. So it will sink down. And if it has to rise up, so it will be removing that water through air
Can I
compression.
write like since like the density is directly proportional to the flotation of object,
You
then
cannot
the
use anything of yourself. You just have to write that principle of flotation.
yes, sir.
Principle of flotation. Okay, so write it down. We are moving to the question part. Do you have the questions of your exam paper?
Yes,
No, sir.
sir. Hey, we have a test paper, sir. What are you talking about?
I don't have it there.
Why?
I,
Oh,
I
yeah,
gave it back to.
You didn't come that day. Hey, you
No,
came.
I gave it back to ma'am for correction there.
Bro, it's gonna be the same marks. So why do you give it again, bro?
No, there
Ma'am
she
again
told.
gave it back.
Yeah.
No, after that, ma'am told uncle, give me back yours. I don't have it.
Now, like, I wanna deduct some more marks.
I have to. Yes, sir.
Nitish, do you have that?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, we
I'll
have
see- I'll
three numericals in it, sir. Simple. That's it, sir. Three numericals.
Can you send me those photos
Sir.
to the chat?
Now,
Is it-
sir?
Can you?
Sir,
We can put it in the chat.
Okay,
We
okay
can put it in
I'll
the
one
chat.
second. I'll
It's
just
possible.
see if I could.
Everything's
Those
possible.
documents?
Sir, one
So,
second,
but I
sir.
can't, sir. My mom is using the phone.
So it's not possible.
No problem. Because those were good questions. That's why I wanted to solve it again.
Which question, sir?
Those which were set up in the question paper.
Sir, which question paper are
Sir,
you talking about,
learning
sir?
room test, sir.
Sir, I thought it was. I thought you were talking
Exam,
about.
sir. All of us thought it was exam papers. Sir, learning room ones you can easily send, sir. I'll send right now.
No, the previous exam that included this chapter also. That question paper I'm asking for.
Sir, that one only, sir.
Learning room, right, sir? Not
Sir,
school, right?
Sir, Nitish is gonna send school, sir. 1 second, sir.
I
I'll
know.
send it to you.
Yes, sir, I have it. I'll send it. Sankalp, no need. I got it. I think I can attach PDF in. Yes, sir. I'll send it.
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
I sent it in the chat.
Oh,
I gave that PDF, I guess.
wow. Nitish.
Said life, Nitish.
Sir, it says Zoho meetings is refused to look at this.
I think this PDF is not getting downloaded.
No, sir, no, sir. It's saying
Click on like
meeting
the download icon, sir. Like it's at the bottom.
But that is
name.
showing an error page.
Sir, it's because these learning room people make everything secured, sir. They don't want others to
Hey,
see
I
it.
sent the actual file,
Can
PDF.
you send it pics? Can you send the pics Certainly better, I
Yes,
guess.
sir, I'll
Take
send
the
Sir,
it,
but
sir.
like we got it on. Sir, we wrote it online, sir. Wait, I actually take screenshot and send it. Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
So I took the
One
picture,
second.
so I'm just now sending it to you, sir.
Said life, Nitish.
Why?
Sir asked for the. Oh, wait, this assignment. My bad, sir. Sir
I'll
asked
go
for
to.
like learning room thing, da.
No, sir didn't ask for the learning room thing.
No, he asked for learning room. He just told us.
For that question paper which included this chapter. That one I'm asking.
Sir, you could have told that, sir. Okay, I can send that also, sir. If
Sir,
you
should I
want.
I'll
send the
send. I have
photos,
it.
sir?
I'll have.
Should I
Wait,
send the
I'll send.
photos?
Why did it not work, da? Kongwell, you the one you sent.
No, that's actually wrong one. Wait,
And
I'll
why
send.
did I take the
I'll
picture?
send. Wait,
Sir, do you
Sankar,
want me
wait.
to send the like our school question
Nope.
paper also?
Nope.
No, that included this particular thing.
Where do you get these photos from?
Uh,
Sir?
we didn't get Oh
Because
my god, this
apparently
is such a
ran a
pain in
question
the ass.
paper. Sir, I sent. Sir, I sent photo
Oh,
itself.
you took a
There's
screenshot.
only 2 pages,
Yeah.
What? There was
That's
3.
three.
Yeah.
That's
Oh.
three. What do you
Sent
mean?
virtual.
Are you able to open it clearly?
Yes, it's an image,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You can
Yes,
of
sir.
course
You
open
can
it.
open it, sir.
Actually, that blur kind of thing is coming.
So like click it, sir. It'll come, sir. 100% will come.
Will come in 2 more seconds.
No,
If you click it, it's coming
the
so
P-
clear. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to load.
Hey,
Click it.
don't send the PDF.
I
Don't click
also
the
sent it. This image also.
So don't click. Hey! Whoa! Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Hey, wow.
Hey, you! No way. What? Nothing happened.
I'm surprised. So can you see it, sir? Hey, the first question was answer 8.4. Damn, pretty damn sure. I think I don't know.
Okay. Big
That's what I
deal.
got.
Okay, hollow metal of mass 1.
Sir, I sent a Google Drive link, sir. This at least you should be able to see.
I think sir is just ignoring you. Just like everyone else.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, I sent Google Drive
Oh,
link, sir. You
yeah.
can of course see it.
It's not working.
Yeah.
No, it has
Oh
to
yeah,
work.
it works.
It's work. It
Oh,
works.
yeah, it
It
works.
works. You stupid.
Okay. So start with it. Solve the first question.
A hollow
8.4.
metal of 180.6 grams contains cavity of what's cavity, sir?
Hollow
It's
part.
like a
How did
space.
you do the
Like
test?
in the middle. He didn't.
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't do the test?
I did, but I
What?
played. Inky Pinky Ponky, Father is
Can
a
I tell
donkey.
the answer for this one, sir?
Hey, wait, let's solve.
That's what I'm solving it. Can I tell the answer?
Just solve, then you can tell it.
Oh, I can tell.
Hidden mind
Sir,
calculation, sir.
like in this, to find the volume of the metal, I'll just subtract the volume of the displaced.
No, you solve it. Solve it.
So I already solved, sir.
You don't have to tell me the option which is correct.
Oh, that's 8.4.
Which one?
When I got 8.4.
8.4, sir.
Is
A.
it correct?
I got it.
No
I
way.
got it first.
Let us
If it's correct, that means I am the one.
Sankal solve for 2 more minutes.
Oh yeah.
The metal when placed in water.
Sir, but this is how ships are made, right? It's a hollow. That's why they float easily. Like
Exactly.
learn this in 2nd grade or something. Not this question. This question is very hard. That ships are hollow. That's what I learned in 2nd grade. In my heart. Oh.
Sir, specific gravity means is it the
9.8.
okay? It's 9.8.
I said Chumada. Don't believe me.
What is specific gravity, Nitish?
Sir?
What is specific gravity?
I don't know, sir. I didn't even use specific gravity in this question, sir.
What answer
Like the
did you?
arm.
That is the answer.
I just did normally and I got 8%. So look at this, sir. Volume of metal. To find the volume of metal, I first subtracted the volume, the volume of water displaced by the object, and subtracted that with that the cavity volume, and then I got a thing, and then
Okay.
I found the density by like dividing the hollow metal of mass, that one, by the the number I got from subtracting the displacement of water to the cavity of volume, and I got 8.4, sir.
Yeah.
Correct. Basically, specific gravity is the ratio of the density of that particular substance to the density of water. And in density of water is just 1 gram per centimeter cube. That's why you were correct.
Yeah, but I didn't get it correct.
Specific gravity is what, sir?
Just density. Specifically, I don't know.
Ratio of density of that particular material to the density of water.
So can you say it again? Your voice was breaking.
Ratio of density of that particular material to the density of water. That means you can take the
Okay.
specific gravity same as the density of that particular material, because density of water is just one.
Why do they use like very hard words, sir? That's not what she said.
Because density of water also varies at different temperatures. Nah?
Bro, that's
Yes,
studies.
sir,
What
but
do
we
you
didn't
mean?
learn anything called specific gravity and everything. I mean, I think we learned, but I just don't remember. So specific gravity is just density.
Right.
Okay, I'll note it down. So I wrote this test with a broken hand, sir, and a broken heart.
That's not an excuse.
How would I? I literally had my hand broken, sir.
Sir, I give
So,
up, sir. I don't get it.
That is easy. Specific gravity is density of substance by density of water. Right? So density of substance is what? Mass per unit volume. So density of water is basically 1 gram per centimeter cube. You don't have to take it, just take it one. So density of substance is what? So density of substance is mass by volume. What is mass? 180.6 grams. What is volume? Volume is like basically this mass is of what? For example, if we take something like this, okay, so this will be the part of that volume that will be considering the mass, na?
Yes, sir.
And this the rest of the hollow part will be having air.
Yes,
That will
sir.
not contribute to the mass.
Yes, sir.
So this is total volume minus volume of cavity. That is why 180.6 by it is 24 minus
21.5.
2.5. So 186
Yes,
180 by 21.5. Understood
Yeah.
or not?
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir.
Mm.
1 second, sir. I'll bring the answer paper.
I got it. 8.4 gram per centimeter cube. Option A. Second question. When standing on sand, I don't know.
Okay,
What
next
is the
question
question?
you have to go.
So I'll read the question, sir. Can I read the question, sir?
Read the question. A block of wood floats in a liquid. That one.
So whoa. So that's not the question, sir. Next question.
So
But
that's
I'll read that question.
second question.
Yes,
Second
sir.
Okay.
question.
The block of wood floats in a liquid of density 0.8 centimeter cube with 1/4 of its volume. Wait, what? Density 0.8 centimeter cube or gram per centimeter cube with 1/4 of its volume submerged in oil. The block floats with 60% of its volume submerged. Of the density of wood and oil are respectively. I didn't answer that.
Do this.
I don't know how to do this. And that's also I didn't know how to do this.
We just saw that formula volume of submerged to volume total is equal to density ratio.
What, sir?
Like just saw that formula, na? Volume of submerged by volume
Sir,
total is
I
equal to.
didn't do this as
Oh
well, sir.
yeah.
I just picked
Even I didn't do
option
this, but
C.
now that you're telling me, it sounds easy, sir. Can you solve this question, sir. I think there's some technical difficulties on your side, sir. I can't hear you, sir.
So, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So
sir.
it's very delayed, sir. I think whenever I speak, they're like quiet for 2 seconds and then.
I think it's raining here quite heavily. That's
Oh,
why
now
some.
it's correct, sir.
What I'm saying here, we just saw that formula, na? Volume submerged by volume total is equal to density ratio.
Yes, sir. We
Sir?
just saw the formula, sir. It's
Use
the
that. Use that to calculate this. Apply your mind for 2 minutes, then I'll do this.
Yes, sir.
sir, the
I'll try
problem
and
is
do
we
this.
just saw the formula, sir. We didn't know how to do it in the test.
Ah,
Very easy. See,
There's only numericals in this. So sad.
see the question says that block of wood floats in a liquid of density 0.8 centimeter cube. Just give me the data. Density
Sir,
of wood is
block
0.8 gram per
0.
centimeter cube.
Sir, row of wood. Okay. W is wood. Okay, that was
some. Can I?
Sir, so it is row of wood is 0. Sir, we are supposed to use row of submerged by row of water.
Wood,
What else is given? Tell me.
Sir, I think it's option B, sir. Just think.
I went
So
for
wait a
C.
minute.
Okay,
Volume of
sir.
submerged
These,
part
na.
is 1/4 of total volume, right?
6. 1/4, sir.
Second
Yes,
data that
sir.
is given there. Third
Sir, you
one is
can
given
use Archimedes principle.
Sir, and
in oil.
in oil, the block
Which is in
floats
water.
with 60%. 60% is bottom, sir.
Now, in oil, volume of submerged is 60% it flows. That means 40%. So 40% of the total is inside submerged,
Sir.
Sir.
right? If
Sir, no.
60% is
Sir,
outside,
No,
Sir, but
sir.
it's so easy,
Sir,
sir.
60% is submerged. 60% is submerged.
oh, it's written 60% submerged.
Yes, sir, it's not
Yes,
even
Okay.
given properly, sir. It's given like
Okay.
in oil, it's given in the oil, the block floats with 60% of its volume submerged the density of wood and oil.
There's supposed
respectively.
to be a
60%
comma
is
there.
there,
That's okay.
right? Volume of submerged part is 6 by 10
Sir, but
into
this is
VT.
3
easy,
by
sir.
Sir,
3
Now
by
I
5.
get it. Sir, can I tell, sir?
No, sir. Sir, stuck, sir.
First understand here. This did you understand or not?
Sir,
Yes,
3
sir.
by 5.
Sir, if the
Exactly.
volume of a wood is like V,
Yes, then
if the volume of the wood, if you can take it as X, that means the volume of the liquid or the specific liquid or oil, oil will be like like how would you say? Like X divided by 6, no. X divided by
see
4, I think.
No. First listen here. See, in the first case, what it said that the wood is floating on the liquid with 1/4 of the volume submerged. That means total 1/4 of the total was submerged. Here you understood or not? Say yes or no.
Yeah, sir. Oh, yeah, I get
Then
it.
in the
So,
second
like
case, if
the
it is oil
volume of
with
the wood
60%,
is like B. Oh, gotcha.
you don't listen. That's why you don't understand.
Sorry, sir.
Little bow.
You have to
sir.
find
So
Yeah, stop, sir. Continue.
the total the density of wood that we have to find. Okay, so in the first case, what is there? In the first case, we find the ratio volume of submerged by volume of total, that is row of wood by row of water. Agree?
Sir.
In
yes,
the
sir.
second case, volume of submerged by volume total is row of wood by row of oil.
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Row of oil, sir.
The row
Yes,
of
sir.
Here,
oil.
volume of submerged is 1/4 volume total by VT is equals to row of wood. We don't know. Row of this water is 1 gram per centimeter cube.
Isn't
Right?
it row of oil?
What?
Isn't it density of oil, sir? How is density of oil 1 gram per centimeter cube?
Okay, sorry. In the first case, it was not water. It was a liquid, random liquid.
Sir.
See there, it's given. And that was 0.8. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
liquid and
No,
that is
sir.
0.8 gram per centimeter.
We didn't give water at all.
No, sir.
No,
It's
sir.
it's the density
Wood
of the
block
wood, sir.
density.
It's the density of wood.
First you read the question, then ask the
Hey,
answer.
sir, correct one is 0.8 only, sir, the bottom.
No.
No, yeah, see, it's submerged.
Hey,
Wood is-
it's a block of wood floats in a liquid of density.
the liquid's density is only 0.8.
Oh,
Correct
my bad.
only. What on?
This
What?
the Sankalp only.
The question.
Hey,
What I
That
became
means
pulling in the
that
middle of the class. What are you talking?
0.8 by 4. 0.2 gram per
Hey,
centimeter
somewhere
cube.
Yes,
stop
hey,
it.
shut up, da. 0.8
If
grams.
you are not,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I agree.
right? In the second case, volume submerged is 60%. So 60% of VT by VT. Hope you know how to take out the percentage.
So I have to
Yes,
divide
sir.
it by 100 and multiply
So
by
VT gets cancelled.
6 by 10 is equals to 0.2 by rho of oil that we don't know.
2 by 5, sir.
Rho of oil will be what? 0.2 into 10 by 6.
3 by 5, da. So it'll become 3 by 5.
That is 0.2.
1 by 3 rho of oil.
Sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
What kind of doubts you ask now? That is strange.
Not me, sir. I did valid points.
Sir, the thing is, we only learnt it now, sir. We didn't know it in the test, sir.
You're not even like reading the question paper correctly. Is it what you need to learn now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, I don't know. No,
There,
sir.
you heard what
Reading
sir
the question
said.
paper also incorrectly. You're reading the question paper also incorrectly.
I read it. Sorry.
Okay, come to question number 4, second part.
Number 4, second part.
A solid floats in water with 2/3 of its volume below the surface of water.
One second. I think
Yes,
I did
sir.
this.
Calculate the density of solid. Do
Sir, I
that.
Okay,
thought
I didn't do this. Oh, I did this, sir. Can I tell?
Wait a minute, let us solve.
Yes, sir. Oh, I can tell. Yes, sir. We know that
It's easy.
like. Okay.
Do
Someone
say
gonna
it,
do-
say it.
Okay. First we like use the volume that like dense displaced by body into volume into density into gravity, which will give us like 3 by 4.
Bro, it's not that hard,
No
Ra.
need of this. No need of this. I'm again. You go through the notes, just last 2-3
Just 2
pages,
by
and try
just
to
2
solve
by
this.
3 into 1000, Ra.
Exactly.
It's as simple as that.
Wait a minute. So isn't it is the answer 750 kilogram per meter cube?
Oh no.
Yeah.
I think so. I'll have to see. So question says that
I don't
solid
have the
floats in
answer
water
sheet, Ra.
with
I
of the
don't know where I
volume
kept
below
it.
the surface. See.
You
So
do.
volume of submerged by volume total is what? Rho of body by rho of liquid, that is H2 in this case. So 2/3 of the volume, that is volume submerged, is 2 by 3 of total volume by VT is equals to rho by water is 1 only. So rho will be what? 2 by 3 into 1, that is 2 by 3 gram per centimeter cube. Understood or not?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
These are easy questions, you just have to apply them.
So that's the answer.
Yeah.
So 2 by 3 gram per centimeter cube is the answer.
No. Yeah,
Your
actually, yeah.
your homework is to solve all the questions of this particular question paper.
Yes, sir.
What?
Okay?
But
Solve all the questions of this particular question paper.
yes, sir.
Yeah, that is not a
Right?
easy homework. Yes, sir.
Question number 5 also, question number 2 also, question number 4 also.
Every numerical, sir. Got it.
Sir, what's a
Numerical-
lactometer, sir?
Milk density.
numerical.
Lactometer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, lactometer is a device that reads the density of milk. Why is it used?
Hmm.
No.
Why do you think is it used?
Some
So it's
Why?
used to
retail
find the
prices.
density of milk.
Oh. So for retail shops where they
Sometimes,
have to sell the milk.
Like,
sometimes
so some
milkman
people like they'll
likes
mix
more
so much
water.
water in milk. So like,
Mitran's father.
hey, what?
We got like 14,000 worth of milk. So,
Sir,
but
it's
what
like,
is it actually used
sir,
for, sir?
I think it's like illegal to sell like just one drop of milk and 100 gallons of water and tell it as
Apparently,
milk.
people can see, bro. Like if it's
Got
Yeah,
it?
you that,
So
sir?
that's why we use lactometer so that we can
You
check
didn't,
whether how much water they have applied. Understood?
you
Yes,
didn't
sir.
say anything, sir.
Am I audible?
No,
Yes, sir. Now we
yes,
are
sir. Now you are, sir.
They're like very quiet sometimes. I think I made something wrong, sir.
You went quiet for a long time and you said that's why they use lactometer.
Sorry. So basically, they
needed.
use lactometer because sometimes they apply more of the water, and then we have to check that how much they are applying to the milk, and that is being checked by the density. Because pure milk will have different density, and water mixed with milk will have different density.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I read somewhere
Yes.
pure milk makes you drunk, sir.
Pardon?
Mm,
Sir, I've read
no,
somewhere
there's
like
nothing like that.
pure. I don't know. I've
No,
seen
You
some.
probably read it on Reddit.
Bro, I
That's why
don't
it's
use
wrong.
Okay,
Reddit.
so this chapter is over. See, wait here. This chapter is over. You have to apply solve more questions. I need doubts from your side because I think I'll be taking some more question classes in the next week, first half also. But that will be
Okay,
quite
sir.
less. So you solve more questions from your side, solve this question paper also, and then we'll be moving on to the next chapter. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye till then.
SR.
So is this
Thank you, sir.
152 slides only for us, sir?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
152 slides. Which one?
In
Like
PowerPoint.
we've done 152 slides.
That we have done. Na?
Most of
So
them are empty space, sir. It's like a space.